What's up, guys? It's Wes out here with another bike check. My Haro 200.2 bike. Added some new things. We'll start at the top and go down. My grips are ODI long neck grips in black. With ODI bar ends. My bars are Haro biker bars. Had a Haro sticker right there. It fell off like last summer, I guess. Market sticker, Dan Scump with the little good luck charm under there, but frame. So Haro 200.2. Let me walk over there so I can get a better look at that. 200.2. Sit down. Pegs, regular, just some stock, cheap. Bought them off a friend. Pegs. Spray paint them like silver because thought it would be boss, but no. Thought it'd look cool. Rim is a Windman. I don't know. Came with the bike. Windman rim. Tires are Kenda contacts. Yeah, I'm going to change that because they're kind of burning out. I guess you would say. My orange valve cap. I love that. All my stickers. Another market sticker. Yeah, you can pretty much tell that I like market. The pedals are Haro pedals, and my cranks are Haro cranks. I don't know what kind of crank. I don't know what the name of them are. They're 3-piece cranks, but they're my. I'll go back. Same little peg. Quandiro rim. Hub. Same as the front hub. Not loud at all, but I can't do it. Okay. Same rim, same tire. Basically the same whole wheel, but yeah. Seat is the Demolition market seat. Love that seat. Padded, good for pinching bar spins. Yeah, suede on top. I don't know what that is. Right there. Some kind of fancy material, I guess. The chain, I'll start that, and is a Z4 chain. The sprocket is a Haro sprocket. So there's my bike. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.